Let me show you how to make delicious chocolate chip zucchini bread. First, you're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease your 9x5 loaf pan. I like to add a rectangle of parchment paper to the bottom to make sure the bread doesn't stick. Next, sift your flour, Dutch processed cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt together. This helps break up any clumps, especially in the cocoa powder. Grate the zucchini, but if you're using an extra large zucchini, make sure to remove any of the tough seeds first. In a separate bowl, add the white sugar, brown sugar, eggs, and applesauce, and whisk it together. Slowly whisk in the butter and vanilla extract. Next, add the shredded zucchini and fold that in. Add half the dry ingredients and stir. Then add the second half of the dry ingredients and finish mixing. Try your best not to overmix it. Add most of the chocolate chips and save some for the top. Give it a quick stir and it will be a thick batter, but you should still be able to pour it into the prepared loaf pan. Sprinkle the rest of the chocolate chips on top and bake for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean, unless it hits a chocolate chip. Let it cool for 10 minutes in the loaf pan and then use a thin plastic spatula to loosen the sides from the pan. Let it finish cooling on a wire rack. Enjoy! It's so rich and moist, it's super chocolatey, delicious, and can't even tell there's any zucchini in here. I hope you enjoy it.